How to remove items from cart on Mercari. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove items from your cart on Mercari. So to do that is very simple actually. To remove items from your cart, you would have to access your cart. And to do so, open your Mercari app or visit the Mercari website. Then move to the top right corner where you can see your logo, you can see the some icons. Click on the shopping cart. So once you click on the cart, you will see all of the items that you've added in there. So once you can see that, you will see the amount, you will see the buy now option by the lowest part of the screen. Now on the item next to it, you will see a cancel icon. Just click on it. So just click on it this way. And then once you click on it, a prompt will appear at the top part of the screen. Are you sure you want to remove this item? Click OK. And then just like that, the item would be removed. It's as simple as that. So this the second one as well, if you would like to remove it, just click on the cancel icon, click OK, and the item will be removed from your cart. So this is how you can remove items from your cart on Mercari. Thanks for watching and have a good day.